nobody day in day, you get me?
I know, so car them getting knocked around the door.
Yeah, them getting now, yeah, you hear them explode, boom, boom.
Yeah. Alright, so over next door a bun down. This is in my yard when I back. But me just hope that this no come over and burn the tree down over here. The whole place, the car place are burned down. I go back around to the fire. It's so freaking big and that sound like the fire brigade now just reach.
Yeah, came up it.
Nobody day in day, you get me?
I know, so car them getting knocked around the door.
Yeah, them getting now, yeah, you hear them explode, boom, boom.
Yeah.
Now what could I sit down that?
There's a little part in there, yeah. You see that spread out.
Yes, Lord. You can imagine? Yeah, that tree that in my yard, you know.
Yeah, you might start saying that catchy tree, that did that Friday.
Welcome back to the channel, you know. Rough night gone. Some extreme circumstances. I don't know what kind of crisis this is, but I'm gonna tell you the truth. I don't understand. So we're here late last night at about 7. And after we left, this happened. All of this happened. So they're completely burnt out. And the same for this XV. We were working on the engine to change some seals in it. We were planning on actually putting back the engine in today. And then everything fall apart last night. So I'm door them over there, so when I say I set up for racing done. I don't know. So based upon the camera footage that I have, seems as if it started from this vehicle. It's a Range Rover Discovery. It started from somewhere here. Somewhere around here it started, and then carried up. Smoke coming from You can see where the fire started, how it started to blaze and everything, you know. That's a rough day. So right now I try to see if we can at least isolate a section of the shop to work. And then try to see if we can at least get half of the shop working. So we have about 4 bays that are still usable. You know, this one, and one. Right, 3, not even 4, 3 bays that are usable. So we just have to work with the 3 bay and make it stay. I do some electrical work for this. At least get half of that side sorted out. I don't know. I forgot to take the time rebuild from this though, but could have worse. That same vehicle was parked right at this spot for about 2 weeks and nothing ever happened. So you know, if anything did happen during that time, I have different problem with the outcome. We'll be having a different discussion today, but all of them things have that burn. So I'm grateful say it was contained to a specific area of the shop, so it never get no worse than what it was, but you know, we still have some work for God to do. Give God thanks to this brother. So the rafters them for the roof. I forgot to change all of them here. It might give us an opportunity to do some upgrades. So been considering lifting. I've been considering lifting this side of the shop. So might have to just do that. Find some way to make it a little higher. So we can probably get in a 2-post lift on this side, but for now we're gonna try see if we can go and work it over. Airport all wiring.
No, that's something I got.
Yeah, no for this no good, so take them down and ask that or something. See if we can change all the lighting and that stuff. Get all of them something started. But for now, I don't know. I'll go and just see if we can take our time, put back the pieces together and rough bridging. Rough.